Good afternoon, everyone. It's a lovely day. These are my Fenugreek Microgreens, which I started on May the 19th. Aren't they amazing? Look at that, look at that. Look how thick it is. And I only planted just a handful of seeds, and it is just amazing. Look at the sun shining on them. Aren't they beautiful? These are my mustard greens, and as you can see, I've let them get their second leaves. And some of them are starting their third leaves. They're very cute. And they're getting a lot taller now. And I have over here my Pea Microgreens that I started. They're kind of sparse, but I think what happened was I planted them too thickly. And the thickness of the peas kept a lot of them from thriving. So, but they're doing okay. They're doing okay all in all. And here I have another batch of peas that I started yesterday. I started these on just paper towel, and as you can see, they've all sprouted nicely, so we're going to keep an eye on them. And right now I've got them covered and a weight on them to help to kind of push down the roots. So let's go outside and look at our plants. Okay, here we have some parsley and a garlic back there, and there's a catnip plant back there too. There's some spinach there. These were started on the 11th of March. They're doing pretty good, not bad. Here are my hydroponics using the Kratky method. Tomatoes. See if I can get this off to show you the roots. Check it out. That's pretty crazy, huh? And this little guy here actually has some tomatoes. I don't know if you can see those. See the little tomato on there? You see it? Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. There's quite a few on here. As you can see, their blossoms are absolutely outrageous. And this is the micro dwarf tomato named Baby that I got at Bunny Hop Seeds. Now let's go look at our cucumber. Here is our cucumber plant. It's pretty impressive. And there's the darling little cucumber that I showed you before. See? Oh my goodness, so cute. Yes. And that is a bush cucumber. So it's coming right along nicely. These are my outrageously many tomatoes. Those are Roma. Over here I have basil. That's some peas, some cress, more tomatoes, and my micro dwarf peppers. These are pumpkin plants, and there's cantaloupes down there. But as you can see, I've been kind of busy, and not everything is hydro anymore because I'm finding that the weather here when it gets hot in the afternoon, it doesn't do as well. So that's what's going on here. Hope everything is growing well in your neck of the woods, and until next time, go ahead and like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Take care.